The Yaheetech Mid-Back Office Chair is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring a foam-filled faux leather back and seat to alleviate fatigue during extended periods of use. This chair offers a customizable seating experience with an adjustable seat height range from 18 to 22 inches and a convenient rocking motion for relaxation. Aesthetically pleasing with its sleek coating and faux leather, this chair enhances the look of any office, study, or gaming room with its elegant appearance. The chair's ribbed-tufted design on the backrest and seat adds a stylish touch, making it not only comfortable but also visually appealing. Practical details like water-resistant faux leather and chrome-plated arms and base ensure easy maintenance, allowing for quick cleanup with a damp cloth. Assembly is straightforward with the included hardware and illustrated instructions, enabling you to set up and enjoy your new chair in under 20 minutes.